Ladies and gentlemen, my CNC machine finally lives again. I've got my fluid dial running FluidDial-CYD. Got all the axes all hooked up, everything is working. All the end stops are finally working properly. I had a few wiring issues, which are now sorted. So yeah, let's home everything and give it a test run. Okay, it's 2 to 3. And 3 of 3 done. So yeah, all homes okay. So let's just fire up the spindle. I've already warmed it up, so this won't kill it. There, it's all working nicely. And you can see there's the VFD screen there. All the electronics are in here. Got some intake and out vent there. It is filtered, so should keep everything fairly clean. And a Wi-Fi antenna on the side. Yeah, here's my fluid dial. Like I said, running FluidDial-CYD rather. So I've got full spindle control here. So yeah, as you can see, that stopped. And yeah, got full control. Works pretty well. So yeah, now that it's finally working again, I'm gonna have to get back to making some projects. Thanks for watching, everyone.